सो द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज़ हार्मफुल एडिक्टिव सब्सटेंसेस। ऐसे सब्सटेंसेस जो हमें एडिक्ट बना लेते हैं, आदत पड़ जाती है जिन चीज़ों की, दैट इज़ एडिक्शन. So harmful addictive substances are substances that make a person dependent on them. We heavily depend on them. We can't survive without them. So that becomes an addiction. So those addictive substances include tobacco, alcohol, and narcotic drugs. So tobacco, it can be formed in the form of BD, cigarette, and cigar. This tobacco contains nicotine. Okay. So this nicotine can be there in form of smoking, or it can enter our body through tobacco chewing, or it can occur, or it can enter in the body through the fumes when another person smokes. So this will be known as second hand smoking. जो पर्सन स्मोक कर रहा है उसका जो धुआं जब हमारी बॉडी ले लेती है, अगर हम आजू बाजू से जाते हैं वहाँ से, तो वो सेकेंड हैंड स्मोक कहलाता है. वी आर नॉट डायरेक्टली स्मोकिंग, बट वी आर कमिंग इन कॉन्टैक्ट विद दैट smoke from that drug or from that tobacco. So then one more thing you should understand here, that nicotine which is present in this tobacco, it will cause the constriction of blood vessels. The blood vessels will become constricted, they will become narrow. Inside it will be deposited with some substances, so it will become narrow and it will be increasing the chances of heart attack. It can lead to heart attack. Then another harmful addictive substance is alcohol. Alcohol can be or is available in form of wine, whiskey, beer, and brandy. And its harmful effects are, there is no proper coordination in the body, and alertness or attentiveness is being reduced, and alcohol can damage our nervous system and liver as well. The major of those alcoholics which are taking the alcohol in heavy amount, their liver gets damaged. Then narcotic drugs. These are the drugs which induce numbness in Hindi सूना पड़ जाना. Then sleep, hallucinations मतलब एक अलग ही दुनिया में चले जाना, कुछ अलग अलग सोचना, हाईली इमेजिन करना, यहाँ बैठे हो तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया का इमेजिन करना, और खुशी अगर दुख में हो तो खुशियों को इमेजिन करना. सो दैट इज़ हेलुसिनेशंस, इमेजिनेशन. एंड देयर इज़ फीलिंग ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट इन ह्यूमन्स. सो these drugs which is causing all this is narcotic drugs can be in form of opium, morphine, heroin, cocaine, and marijuana. So harmful effects are, it affects our nervous system and other organs. It affects our vision, the eyesight becomes weak. We have a defect in hearing capacity, respiratory system is being affected, our cardiovascular system is being affected. Then if these narcotic drugs are injected, and if these needles which are used for injecting are being shared, then it can ultimately lead to AIDS if these had been injected from a AIDS patient.